Anyways, folks, I'm trying to make some homemade penicillin or antibodies. And all we're going to use here is some water, some garlic, and onion, and some natural honey. It has to be natural honey, all right? And first of all, we're going to put the water in the glass, the beer jug. I'm trying to stop drinking beer. Okay. And then as we heat up the water for about 2 minutes or 1 minute, what we're gonna do is like that movie Goodfellas. We're gonna so easily and carefully chop up the garlic, so nice and sloppily. But actually, you know, rather than doing that, folks, I got a better solution. So I got these now. Got these things here. So now you can just put like the half of garlic, and garlic is strong. So instead of having to chop it up like Goodfellas, just put the whole in there like that. God dang it. Okay. And then do the same with the onion. You know, you don't need too much because this stuff is powerful. You know, chop some onion up. Put the onion in this little like cage tea thing here. Let them battle it out. You know, onion, garlic, whatever. Put it in there. And then, you know what? Let's get a little creative, folks. Let's add some cayenne pepper. Piece of cayenne pepper in there. Like that one chef used to say, a little cayenne pepper. Throw that mojo in there. And let's get even more bold. And I got this weird turmeric root stuff. Actually, now we'll just stick with this. Now once the water is done cooking, what we do then is first we put in some honey. I got some more natural honey I got from a roadside vendor. You may as well just finish using up this honey here first. Oh. Make sure it ain't spoiled. Put that in there like that. Kind of slop it up a little bit. Kind of slop it up, stir it up a little bit. Okay. Let's just get the knife and kind of zing it around there. Kind of stir it in a little bit. Slop it up a little bit like Siamese, whatever his name is on Little Rascals. Then you just get this right here, folks. You drop it in there. And you let it do its thing. And now, folks, let's see how it tastes here. Let's see here. And I did add some of this honey here. It's Silver Blossom blend. I don't know how it tastes. We'll find out. Make it sweet so you don't have to taste that onion garlic. Man, ain't no woman want to kiss me in a doggone year. And it's supposed to just be like natural, I don't know what they call it, natural antibody. Poor man's alternative to penicillin, since they make penicillin so hard to get. That should be an over-the-counter drug, man. Think how many doctor visits could be cut short if everyone had access to penicillin. But anyhow, folks, I'm about out of digital film time. So anyways, that's my remedy. Some woman told me how to make natural antibody or something like that. Try at your own risk. Hopefully smoke won't come out your ears. We're out.